12th question, if the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion equals the coefficient of x power minus 7 in this expansion, then what is the relationship between A and B? Yes, the moment they say coefficient of x power something, immediately the next step is to find R, and we can do it by that shortcut formula. So, therefore, here R, the formula is Np minus M divided by P plus Q. Yes. Now, first I will find this R for the first. Okay. Now, the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion, now that we will find out. Now, here the value of n is 11. So, therefore, n is 11. P is the power of x in the first term when x is in the numerator. See, x is already in the numerator. So, power of x. So, this will be P. So, this is P, that is 2 minus M. M is the power of x in the question. They are asking coefficient of x power 7. That is the question. Question is talking about that. So, this is M. So, M is 7 divided by again P, that is 2 plus Q. Q is the coefficient of x in the second term when x is in the denominator. So, already x is in the denominator here. So, when x is in the denominator, the power of x will be Q. So, the value of Q is 1. So, it is 22 minus 7, that is 15 divided by 3. So, we will get the value of R as 5. Now, by this value of R, we will be able to find the coefficient of x power 7. Okay. Now, for that also another shortcut we have to follow. So, I have explained it in the synopsis. So, if you want coefficient of x power 7, suppose we want coefficient of x power 7, there is a simple way. Okay. Now, what you have to do is first you have to write NCR. So, you have to start with, this is a shortcut way of writing this NCR. Now, n is 11. So, this is 11 CR. R is what we have found out. So, therefore, it will be 11 C5. Next, what you have to do is in the first term other than x, whatever is there you have to write. So, x square coefficient you have to write here. So, it is A. A, the power will be the difference of this 11 minus 5, that is 6 into, similarly go to the second term, except x, whatever is there you have to write. So, coefficient of other than what is left, okay, other than x. So, this is 1 by b power, here you have to write directly R, into this term will have x power 7. So, this is the term containing x power 7. Okay. So, coefficient of x power 7 will be other than x power 7. Okay. Now, we have to do the same thing. Now, they are talking about second part, coefficient of x power minus 7 in this expansion. Okay. So, here again we will use the formula R is equal to Np minus M divided by P plus Q. Now, here again the value of N is 11 into value of P is 1 minus value of M is minus 7 here, minus 7 divided by value of P is again 1 and value of Q is 2 here. So, therefore, we will get 11 plus 7, that is 18 by 3. So, this is 6. So, value of R is 6 here, and again we will write that coefficient of x power 7 minus 7 in this case. So, coefficient of x power minus 7. Okay. For this we will use this shortcut. So, the shortcut is first write the power 11 C, write this R, that is 6. Now, other than x terms whatever is there you have to write A. On the power you have to take the difference of this, that is 11 minus 6, that is 5, into same thing other than x term minus 1 by b you have to write, and to the power you have to write R, that is 6, and actually this term will be having this minus 7, okay, in that expansion. So, this is the term. Yes. Now, they are talking only about the coefficient of x power 7 and coefficient of x power minus 7, okay, and they are telling those two coefficients are equal. That means, from the data what follows is this coefficient, that is 11C5 a power 6 1 by b power 5 should be equal to this coefficient, that is 11C6 a power 5. Now minus 1 power 6 is 1 itself by b power 6, and you can see that 11C6 is same as 11C5, NCr is same as NCn minus r. So 11C6 and 11C5 will get cancelled. Then a power 5, a power 6 will leave a, b power 5, b power 6 will leave b. Now if you cross multiply a and b, so you will get a into b is equal to 1. So therefore AB equal to 1 is the answer.